Well, let's take a look at how to use the Ahrefs Site Explorer tool. Now, if you're not already familiar with Ahrefs, it is a paid platform, so you need to sign up for an account in order to use it. But once you're signed up, you can add a website into the Site Explorer, which you'll see just a bar up at the top. It's actually going to look like this if you click onto Site Explorer. And you just drop a domain name in here. That's going to give us an overview of AI citations, their backlink profile, their organic search performance, like performance on Google, essentially, a whole bunch of other metrics. Typically, what I'll do is I'll go and do a search for whatever the main keyword is for an industry like plumbers in Phoenix, Arizona, and then start pulling the top competitors here. Just grab their website URL, which is what I've done with this one here, and just drop them in, and I can start to see what they have going on with their website, right? Now, obviously, AI is becoming a bigger thing as time goes on. So this is something more and more people are focused on, which is how often is this site showing up in the AI overviews and in ChatGPT and Gemini and all these different places. And the SEO stuff has been around for quite some time. So, I think that's something more people are familiar with, but you want to be able to check someone's backlinks, how much organic traffic they're getting. Or excuse me, this is the organic traffic. These are the organic keywords they're ranking for. And if I open this in a new tab, I like to sort by location because it gives a little bit more information here. We can see all the different keywords that they're targeting on their website. And all of that kind of stems from the website overview here on the Ahrefs Site Explorer tool. And so as you're coming down, you can dig into more of the metrics, like how their organic rankings have changed over time, the traffic by location, the intent of the different search terms that they're ranking for, some different metrics on intent here, just kind of more on a graph format, their referring domains broken down. So there's tons of information that you can dig into here. This is an extremely powerful tool, and ultimately, depending on what you're wanting to achieve, you can start figuring out what's the most important element to dig into. And basically what's happening when we click off into all these different sections is we're kind of navigating through this left sidebar here. So these are sort of individual tools within Ahrefs, and the Site Explorer gives us an overview of all of it so that it's easier to understand and navigate things without needing to just go one by one through these over here. So anyways, I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours, and all for less than $50. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.